Today we are going to master the most flexible lookup engine in Excel. Index and match. If you have ever struggled with layouts that break VLOOKUP or situations where XLOOKUP cannot handle multi-criteria without helper columns, this lesson will change how you build every report. By the end of this video, you will be able to perform simple lookups, right-to-left lookups, two-dimensional lookups, and even multi-criteria lookups without helper columns. And you will see 10 real demonstrations that you can apply immediately. Let us begin with index. Index is simple. Index returns a value from a specific row inside a specific column. You tell Excel which column to look at, and you tell Excel which row number to return. That is it. Index does not care about column order. Index does not care about direction. Index does not care whether your lookup is left, right, up, or down. Index is the foundation of flexible lookups. Match is the second half of the engine. Match finds the position of a value inside a column. It returns the row number where the value appears. Match is dynamic. If your data moves, match adjusts automatically. Match always uses exact match in professional reporting because exact match guarantees reliability. When you combine index and match, you get a lookup engine that works in any direction and survives any layout change. Let us begin with our first demonstration. A simple index example. We will use the IN table. If you write index open bracket IN unit price close bracket comma 0, Excel returns the whole column of unit price in the list. If you put 1 instead of 0, you will get the value in the first row only. This shows the core idea. Index pulls values based on row numbers. Nothing more. Nothing less. Now let us use match. Equal match open bracket select before, comma, IN, product, comma, 0 returns the row where monitor appears. This row number will later feed into index. Match gives us the position. Index gives us the value. Together they form a dynamic lookup. Let us combine both functions. Index open bracket, IN, unit price, close bracket, comma, match, select before, comma, IN, product, comma, 0. Match finds the correct row. Index extracts the correct value. This combination replaces VLOOKUP in every non-standard layout. It is faster. It is safer. It is more flexible. Now we increase complexity. Let us perform a lookup by category. Suppose you want the unit cost for the accessories category. Equal index open bracket IN, unit cost, close bracket, comma, that row returns the cost. Match open bracket select B14 comma, IN, category, comma, 0, returns the row. This method works even when columns are scattered across your sheet. Index and match allow lookups in any direction, including right to left. For example, suppose you want to find the product based on a unit price of 250. Equal index open bracket, IN, product, close bracket, comma that row returns the product. Match 250 comma IN, unit price, comma, 0 finds the row. VLOOKUP cannot do this. Index match does it naturally. Let us now perform a two-dimensional lookup. Match finds the correct product row from IN product. Another match finds the correct attribute column from the header list. Attributes such as unit cost, unit price, or stock level. Index returns the value at the intersection. This is how you build matrix lookups without any helper columns. Now let us solve a difficult case. A multi-criteria lookup without helper columns. Suppose you want the unit price for a product stored in a specific warehouse. Product equals monitor. Warehouse equals WH East. You write match open bracket 1 comma open bracket in product equals monitor close bracket multiplied by open bracket in warehouse equals wh east close bracket comma 0 close bracket. Index then returns the unit price from the matched row. This is professional grade lookup logic. Stock level for keyboard. Column product equals keyboard. Column stock level equals return. Formula. Index open bracket in, stock level close bracket, comma, match, open bracket, keyboard comma in, product, comma, 0, close bracket. Unit cost for laptop. Column row equals 1. Column unit cost equals return. Formula. Index open bracket in, unit cost, close bracket, comma, 1. Warehouse for printer. Column product equals printer. Column warehouse equals return. Formula. Index open bracket in, warehouse, close bracket, comma, match, open bracket, printer, comma, in, product, comma, 0, close bracket. Category of mouse. Column product equals mouse. Column category equals return. Formula. Index open bracket in, category, close bracket, comma, match, open bracket, mouse, comma, in, product, comma, 0, close bracket. Multi-criteria. Category equals accessories. Warehouse equals WH West. Column unit price equals return. Formula. Index open bracket in unit price close bracket comma match open bracket 1 comma open bracket in category equals accessories close bracket multiplied by open bracket in warehouse equals WH West close bracket comma 0 close bracket. Now let us consolidate everything. Index gives you the value. Match gives you the position. Together they create a lookup engine that works in any direction. They support multiple criteria. They handle non-standard layouts. They scale into advanced automation. When you master index match, you unlock the ability to build dashboards that never break when columns move. If you are following this Excel Intermediate series, subscribe now. We are building 50 complete lessons that take you from confident to unstoppable in Excel. Lesson 5 continues with advanced conditional logic using IFS and nested formulas. You do not want to miss it. Thank you for watching. Practice these demonstrations. Build your own variations. And begin replacing every VLOOKUP with index match. Your future dashboards will thank you.